If you're even thinking about using Doko AI, these 7 crucial things could save you time, money, and even change the way you handle content and outreach. This is the best just released AI software I've seen in months, and there's a reason marketers are buzzing. You can try Doko AI completely free from the first link in the description, and trust me, you'll want to after hearing what it actually does under the hood. And stick around, because the last point I'll share might just give you an edge no one else is using yet. So what is Doko AI? It's an AI-powered assistant that combines research, cold outreach, and content generation into one ridiculously simple workflow. Think of it as your personal marketing intern, except it doesn't sleep and it's actually smart. What sets it apart from the other AI tools flooding the market is how targeted it is. You're not just getting blog posts or ad copy. Doko AI helps you find ideal prospects, writes highly personalized cold emails, and even handles the follow-up logic automatically. It's built for people who want results, not just words on a screen. Unlike most generic tools, Doko actually scrapes real-time data and identifies decision makers, not just random LinkedIn profiles. If you're doing B2B outreach, this saves hours every day. That alone makes it a no-brainer for agencies, freelancers, consultants, anyone who's ever written a pitch email and hoped for a reply. Also, the onboarding is clean and intuitive. No coding, no AI prompts to memorize, just select your goal, input your niche, and the software literally does the heavy lifting. It's beginner-friendly without being dumbed down. Now here's a game changer. Doko lets you A/B test cold outreach sequences directly in the platform. That's something even enterprise-level tools don't include out of the box. If you understand marketing at scale, this should perk your ears up. And here's the kicker. Doko AI also acts as a content assistant. It'll repurpose your outreach into LinkedIn posts, tweets, or email newsletters. It's like plugging your marketing into autopilot, but still keeping that human tone that doesn't feel robotic. Now, I won't say it's perfect. It's still early, and some of the integrations are a bit limited. But updates are coming fast, and what's already available is way ahead of most tools in this price range. Again, you can test it completely free from the first link in the description and see for yourself if it fits your workflow. And like I mentioned, in the description below, I've also linked my top recommended AI tools after testing literally thousands of them. Doko AI might be your next favorite, but it's not the only one you should be trying.